anytime you put a bolt into an engine, especially something as critical as an exhaust manifold bolt, you should always clean the hole out first with a tap to make sure that there's no crud or anything into the hole, so you make sure that you get the proper torque and not have any problems with the bolt going into the hole. So I'm in the process here. I'm going to run a tap through each one of these holes, and then I'm going to blow out the holes and then clean up the surface here, and then I'm going to look up the torque for the bolt, which I have not done yet, and torque the bolt to the proper torque into the proper sequence. So any bolt that goes into an engine or a lot of other critical positions into the car should always A, torque the bolt to the proper spec, look it up in the service manual or try to find it on the internet, and B, follow a torque sequence. I'm not sure if this manifold has a torque sequence, but if we don't know it, we can always go from the inside and then go to the out. So I just finished cleaning all the holes with the tap. I didn't have any issues except for the last one was a little bit difficult, and you can see on the tap here all the debris that I took out of that hole, so that's why, again, it's a good idea. Always tap out all your holes for whatever you're going to be assembling to your engine, and then blow them out with a blowgun. So next I'm going to be cleaning up the surfaces, putting new gaskets in, and follow the torque sequence and the torque the bolts to the proper pound-feet that's recommended in the service manual.